It is 2022.
And we are back.
And you may have recognized from the street signs written in Chinese and English, we are not in Asia. We are out for an adventurous day in New York City's Chinatown.
But first things first, we are back, but we were actually never gone. We just took a little time out at the end of last year, 2021, to recharge our energy and of course to plan for a better 2022. ...2022 will be very interesting and we are already very excited as we will be planning where we will live next. We will be traveling to Germany and we will be starting another business. And the best thing is we will document it all for you and share those and other adventures with you on this channel. Now we're here at the corner of Mott Street and Bayard Street, which is more or less the heart of Chinatown. And it's February, meaning we are right in time for the Chinese New Year, Year of the Tiger. Happy New Year! Now we are walking down Mott Street. Mr. Famous. Because of the New Year, the Chinese New Year, the streets are very crowded and we are thinking to go somewhere else to grab something to eat.
Yeah, maybe like the Lower East Side or something. I always like the Lower East Side. They really have good food there and it's a common ground for both of us before we met. So
yeah, let's head over to the Lower East Side. Should we go through Chinatown here?
Yeah.
Just get some more images and yeah, and this street here we are taking was back in the day a very famous street because rivalizing gangs were fighting here against each other. It's very crazy. So let's go through here. Yeah, and behind me is just one of the famous restaurants here in Chinatown. But as you can see, the lines are just crazy long today.
It's very well made, but it is not made in his whatever home and like
So we are on Canal Street right now. We headed over to the Lower East Side. Not sure if all the stuff that we saw and tried to record, if it actually recorded. We really hope so.
yeah, I think we lost a little bit of footage there for some reason.
Really.
So that was actually pretty exciting.
Yeah. Damn. So yeah, but probably have some good footage later. So let's head over to the Lower East Side and see what we have there.
Yeah. Hallo Ingrid and Elma, wie geht's dir?
So, what are we having?
I don't know.
Okay, we are checking now what we will have and turn the camera off for a second, but we will be back in just a minute. As you could see, we actually got some food at Sundays, but the music was so loud that it was not really making sense to film there. Let's cross really quick. And yeah, now we're heading over to another place which is called Vanessa's Dumplings, which is on the edge border here of Chinatown and the Lower East Side, and they have an amazing duck sandwich. Yeah, and after that we probably look for another place to sit down and to have another drink or summer food. What do you think?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm all for the food.
See, some
drinks.
the avocado toast was not enough, so
No, that avocado toast, the bread was so hard.
it was juicy though, but
The avocado was good, but the bread was toasted a bit too much that I felt like I was in a wrestling match with cutting the bread. Yeah, fortunately didn't like that too much, but yeah, is this the place?
Watch your back.